So to cook ground beef in the Instant Pot, you can amazingly start from frozen. You're gonna put a cup of water in the bottom and your steamer insert on top so that the meat's not actually touching the water. Throw 2 pounds in there. I've heard you can actually do up to 4, but I haven't tried it. These are totally frozen. Lock in your lid, and you're gonna set this to 25 minutes at high pressure. What we're looking for is 160 degrees. All right, let's check and see if we're up to 160. You can remove the meat to a plate with tongs that'll stay together and just use 2 forks or a potato masher or your star-shaped tool or whatever you can find to kind of crumble that up so that it resembles regular old ground beef that you've cooked on the stovetop, and it really tastes pretty much just like that too.